Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Google Maps dark mode in 2026. So if you want a smoother look, less eye strain at night, or just a cleaner interface, yeah, this guide has you covered. First, open Google Maps on your phone. Dark mode works on both Android and iPhone. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner to open the menu. Now scroll down and tap Settings. This is where all appearance options are stored. Inside Settings, look for Theme or Appearance depending on your device version. Now select Dark Mode to instantly switch Google Maps to a darker interface. This is especially helpful if you use Maps at night. You can also choose Same as Device Theme, so Google Maps automatically switches between light and dark mode based on your phone settings. And dark mode can also help save a bit of battery on OLED screens, since darker pixels use less power. Now open navigation mode to see dark mode in action. The map interface will appear darker while still keeping roads and routes clearly visible. So yeah, that's how to use Google Maps dark mode in 2026. It's simple to enable and honestly, it makes everything feel more comfortable, especially at night. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next guide.